I will not worship that.
Bow your heads!
With all my heart I follow you. I fear you. I seek your presence.
Bring them!
Oh, my friends, your faith will be tested now.
Daniel, what's wrong with them? Why will your friends not bow to me?
I assure you, sire, they will serve you faithfully, all their lives, as I will, but they will only worship God.
I will make them bow. When we wish to bend something that is hard and unyielding, what do we do with it? We put it into the fire. Bring me fire!
Hear my cry. Hope of death entangled me. The anguish of the grave consumes me. Do not ignore my tears, my tears. I am overcome by sorrow. I call upon the name of the Lord. Lord, save me!